my name is Martin, I'm product manager at Avonic, and today I'll be unboxing our latest controller, the CON300IP. So this controller adds IP functionality to the previous CON300, and it can control up to 255 cameras over IP and still up to 50 cameras over a serial connection. So let's dive in. Once you open up this box, you'll see several different compartments. As you can see here, it has one compartment here and a big one over here. The small compartment will contain all the different parts that you need to connect any camera or the controller up to either power or to the computer or the camera. So we have a DB9 to DB9 connector for connecting the controller to your computer, for example. A standard cable to connect your camera, so it's mini DIN 8 to RJ45. RJ45 goes into the controller and the mini DIN 8 goes into the camera's connector. Now we have a power supply which comes with a standard C7 connector, so you can expect to receive a power cable with which is suitable for your area. So let's move on to the controller itself. I'll just move these parts to the side. So once you remove the protective foam, you can take out the controller, remove the plastic covering. Be careful with the joystick. It's been stuck through the plastic. Don't pull too hard. And there you have it, there's your controller. So let's talk about all the connections on the back. Let's hold it like this so you can actually read all the different connectors on the back. Here you can see your RS-232 connector, so you can hook this one up to your computer. These are the 5 serial channels. So please bear in mind these are not IP driven, this is serial connections, so RS-232 or RS-485. Please refer to the manual for you to look at the pin layout of this RJ45 plug. Depending on which wires you use, it either determines whether you are using RS-485 or RS-232. So please refer to the manual for the pin layout. Then on the back you also find this Phoenix connector. So this is an RS-422 connector or RS-485. So this connector together with the RS-232 connector is linked to the first channel. So any command you send out over this first channel will be replicated over this Phoenix connector and this DB9 RS-232 connector. So please bear that in mind. The other channels, they are separate from these connectors. So only channel 1 is being replicated. Now if you want to control your cameras over IP, of course there's the LAN connector. So connect this to standard Ethernet and you'll be connecting your cameras to the same network. Make sure that the settings in the controller itself are done properly and you'll be able to control the cameras directly over IP. So this single connector allows you to control up to 255 cameras. Next to that you'll find the power connector and the power switch. So this is a very basic unboxing. If you want to have more information on how this controller works and how to set it up to use with our cameras, I'll be shooting a video in the coming weeks that will explain that. So please subscribe to our channel. You can find us on www.avonic.eu, and we also have a YouTube channel, so please subscribe there as well. Thank you for watching. It's been a very basic unboxing video, but at least now you know what to expect when opening up one of our controllers. Thank you again and have a nice day.